Welcome to Microchip's briefing. The content of the briefing includes: U.S. compels Saudi fund to exit AI chip startup backed by Altman. Japan aircon king Daikin looks to custom chips for energy savings. Dow rallies to year's highest close to cap blockbuster month. Marvell Technology forecasts weak revenue as inventory corrections persist. Dow gains 520 points as U.S. stocks notch their best month this year. U.S. compels Saudi fund to exit AI chip startup backed by Altman. Bloomberg. The Biden administration has compelled Prosperity 7, a Saudi Aramco venture capital firm, to divest its shares in Rain AI, a Silicon Valley AI chip startup backed by OpenAI co-founder Sam Altman. The move comes as the U.S. increases scrutiny over the activities of Middle Eastern wealth funds with close ties to China. The Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, CFIUS, instructed Prosperity 7 to unwind its investment in Rain AI due to national security concerns. The sale of Prosperity 7's stake in Rain AI to Silicon Valley investment firm GREP VC has broader implications for Saudi Arabia's growing investments in U.S. technology. Japan aircon king Daikin looks to custom chips for energy savings. Yahoo! Daikin Industries, the Japanese air conditioning manufacturer, has partnered with a design company to make custom logic chips for its air conditioners. The custom chips, made by Taiwan's TSMC, are more expensive than off-the-shelf alternatives, but are more energy efficient and reduce the use of other components. Daikin plans to start using the custom chips in high-end units from 2025, with a view to using them in a fifth of its air conditioners by the end of the decade. Dow rallies to year's highest close to cap blockbuster month. Nikkei Asia. Marvell Technology forecasts weak revenue as inventory corrections persist. Yahoo! Semiconductor firm Marvell Technology expects nearly half of its Q1 2025 revenue to decline, blaming a tough macroeconomic environment and longer than expected inventory corrections. CEO Matthew Murphy said the real question is the data center strength and how does that continue? And it's too early to call. The company's forecast for Q4 2024 came in below Wall Street estimates. Clouds gather over Alibaba's key unit after IPO plans shelved. Nikkei Asia. Alibaba Group's decision to cancel its spin-off of its cloud unit was attributed to uncertainties around the procurement of advanced chips due to U.S. export controls. However, investors have been questioning whether this is the real reason for the move. Alibaba had initially announced its plan to divide the conglomerate into 6 business groups and pursue listings for some, including the cloud unit, but later backtracked. The company's share price has plunged to its lowest point this year following the news of the spin-off cancellation. While Alibaba cited tighter export controls as a reason, skeptics argue that the timing does not add up. China's cloud computing market expanded by 40.9% YoY in 2022, while Alibaba Cloud's revenue contracted during the same period. After the spin-off was abandoned, Alibaba Cloud launched an overhaul of its cloud computing unit, including creating a dedicated public cloud business unit and a hybrid cloud unit. Dell misses quarterly revenue estimates on slow PC market recovery. Reuters. Dell Technologies reported third-quarter revenue that fell short of estimates due to a slower-than-expected recovery in the hardware and software market. The decline in demand follows a surge in sales of electronic devices during COVID-19 lockdowns as more people worked from home. Dell's Client Solutions Group, which includes its consumer and enterprise PC business, saw an almost 11% drop in revenue compared to the previous year. However, the company's servers and networking business revenue increased 9% sequentially as customers showed interest in generative artificial intelligence. Dell's results mirror trends seen in the PC market, with rival HP also forecasting weak demand. Big tech stocks such as Amazon and Apple are delivering big gains. But for profit growth, is real estate a better bet? The Globe and Mail. Investors' obsession with 7 major U.S. technology stocks has led to a skewed market picture, according to a note from Richard Bernstein Advisors, RBA. The analysis of 82 stocks on the MSCI USA index found just 3 of the 7 major tech stocks in the group, and RBA analysts said price momentum was the main factor drawing investors to the shares. The research firm's report found that other stocks with strong profit growth were available outside the tech sector. ASML's new chief is stepping into the middle of a trade war. Bloomberg. ASML's new CEO, Christophe Fouquet, will have to navigate a difficult relationship between Washington and Beijing when he takes over from outgoing CEO Peter Wennink in April. ASML is Europe's most valuable tech company and has been targeted by the White House as the US seeks to stop its cutting-edge technology from reaching China. The Dutch government has tightened export controls on China, restricting the sale of less advanced gear. The US-initiated export bans have angered some local lawmakers who see them as an infringement on the Netherlands' sovereignty. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.